Have you ever thought that a wrench and some scrap threaded rods could become incredibly useful tools? Today I'm going to transform a wrench into a completely new tool, then build a mini rebar bender from seemingly discarded materials. Let's see how effective they are. Hello everyone, welcome to Creation Tricks. This is where we share clever DIY ideas, creative recycling, and useful tools that anyone can make at home. If you love creating and want to save money with your own hands, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next project. Now let's get started. This wrench has very few functions, so I'm adding something to it. I marked the center position and securely fixed it to the vise. Then I used a drill to create a hole through the wrench body. This will be the location for installing the new parts. Drilling slowly and using lubricant will help the drill bit last longer and create a cleaner hole. After drilling, the wrench has a very neat and precise hole. Next, I placed a nut over the drilled hole. Then I welded it securely. This will be the thread for installing a bolt or threaded rod. The weld doesn't need to be perfect. The most important thing is that it is strong because it will withstand a lot of force later. After completion, I cleaned off the welding slag to make everything neater. Next is a long threaded rod. I measured the required length and used a cutting machine to cut it into several sections. I measured the required length and used a cutting machine to cut it into several sections. One end of each threaded rod is sharpened. This sharp end will help hold the material better during use. With just a few minutes of processing, we have the main parts for the first tool. I attached the threaded rods to the welded nuts. Then I tightened them with the locking nuts. It looks quite simple at first glance, but this design allows for very quick changes in the distance between the rods. This is an extremely useful tool when you need to hold or position multiple parts at once. Thanks to the adjustable threads, the operation becomes much more flexible. Today we have completed 2 new tools from an old wrench, a mini rebar bender from scrap materials. Hopefully this project will give you another useful idea for your workshop. If you like DIY videos like this, please like, share, and subscribe to Creation Tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video with even more creative ideas.